Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some exciting news to tell you about Cirkul. Do you want to know? Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much Cirkul for sending me this box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So now they got a hold of me, they sent me an email and they said, I have a box coming your way and I can't tell you everything right now, but we've been keeping a secret. And a few words that they chose to say made my brain go to one specific place and I'm like, ooh. So I don't know yet. I don't even want to say that just in case. But we're going to see when we get in here. But if that's the case, I'm so excited for them. But they said that they've been keeping a secret. They have some new things and they wanted you guys to see them. So let's go ahead and let's get this open and see what the secret is. The cat's going to get out of the bag right now. Let's see. Let's see what we've got. I know I'm excited. Anything to do with Cirkul, I love. So I'm all for it. Oh, and for Christmas, my mom, my man's mom, his two sisters, one of my friends, like they all got stainless steel Cirkul water bottles with tons of flavors. So I got them the gift of drinking water and staying hydrated for Christmas, and they all love it. So yes. When you open it up, here's this. And then, ooh, yes, it is Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, so in the email, that's what I was saying. Like, she strategically used the word bed and bath, but it had no beyond near it. And it was just broken up in the word. And I'm like, I picked up Bed Bath & Beyond. And I'm like, oh my gosh, if they're going to be in Bed Bath & Beyond. And they are. Congratulations, Cirkul. They're in Bed Bath & Beyond. That is so neat. Starting January 1st. Yes. So it says we're ringing in the new year with a whole new look. And you're among the first to check out the latest packaging. This is how their sips are going to come now. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're going to get into that. What else does this say? I'm all about the packaging already. I'm a packaging hoe. I love me some packaging. And I can already see right off the bat. Wow. Yeah, that is way better than the little bags. But hold on. Let's see what else this says. It says this fun new style will be in all Bed Bath & Beyond stores January 1st, 2022. That is awesome. So yes, they are in Bed Bath & Beyond. To infinity and beyond. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at, and I think I do, let me hold it. Okay, so I grabbed my normal packaging so you can see the difference. Okay, so this is how the packages were, or they are currently. Each little sip is down inside of this sealed bag, but now they're in these really neat boxes. For one, if you are going to be in Bed Bath & Beyond or any type of retail store, boxes like this will be better on a shelf than just these little things. So I get why they changed their packaging. It's very, very smart. But that is so neat. Oh, I think I had that upside down the whole time. So like this one is the Fit Sip mixed berries, and there's one cartridge down inside of here. And let me see what it looks like on the inside. Did they change the inside? Nope, same design. Yay! Okay, so when I always tell you guys, you can switch these out, and they even sell a little saver where you can keep two of them in there. And I always have people ask, can you tell which of the flavors are, which when you do it that way? And I'm like, unfortunately, no. You just kind of have to figure out which is there. Or I always just drink whatever flavor is in my bottle. And then when I'm getting all water, I switch it out. So I don't really switch out between drinks or between the day. I normally keep whatever sip is in mine, but that's my own personal preference. The beauty of this is you can switch it out whenever you want. And now they have it labeled. So this one says Fit Sip Mix Berries right there. So when you do remove it, if you wanted to switch it out, have a different flavor, if you wanted coffee in the morning, mixed berries in the afternoon, and you wanted sweet tea at dinner, you can definitely do that. And now They have it labeled so you know what flavor it is. Genius. I was always like, I just wish there was a way, and I didn't want to write like on marker because I didn't want that in my bottle, and then I didn't want to just, you know, looking weird on the outside. They got you covered now. They're labeled. And it comes in this really neat box. It goes over all of the different nutrition facts. It tells you 0 calories, no sugar, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors. And then there's plastic reduction when they're in this way. So that is really, really neat. I'm loving this, how that one little simple little thing makes a big, big impact difference to me. Like that's a game changer right there. Adding the thing to it. So down in here, I have a Cirkul sticker. I love stickers, so I definitely save those. We have 2 more flavors. Again, the same really, really neat packaging. I love this packaging. And they'll even store better. I think as far as like shipment, they could probably stuff more bags than boxes. But as far as the way that it looks so much better in a box. I'm going to give them that. So here is this is one of my favorite, the black cherry. The black cherry and the white cherry are moving up to like my top favorites that I love to grab the most, which is very, very odd for me because I normally don't like cherry. Even growing up, whenever I'd get like a Shirley Temple, I would always have to take the cherries out. I don't like cherries. I don't eat cherries. I don't really care for cherry or the cherry flavoring that much. But the black cherry and the white cherry are my favorites. So even if you are not like thrilled with a flavor, if you try it, you might be surprised that you might actually really enjoy it. So just fruits for thoughts. Cherries, fruits for thoughts. But these are just super cute. Again, here is the packaging. So this one here is the fruit punch. That's another one of my top favorites. But again, those are just, they trickled up there above the others, and I just love all the flavors, except if it has coconut or mango. Those two I stay away from because it's my own personal preference, but they have so many different ones to choose from. That's the beauty in it. There's always going to be something for somebody. They have coffee, they have natural flavors. So they have like Go Sips, Life Sips, Fit Sips, and some of them have electrolytes and all different stuff. So there's just so many different flavors in the different types that they have. There's just something, I'm telling you, there's something for everybody. How cute. There's a little journal book that they added in here for me as well. So it's just like an all-page journal, and then you have this little flapper wrapper, and then there's even a bookmark too. So they sent me a Cirkul journal. Thank you. And is this like a reusable bag? Yes, that is a reusable bag. That is big. You never know when you need to just throw some shit in a bag. I mean, especially like grocery shopping, anything like that. This is a good little bag. So thank you so much for sending me that. And I like all the different fruits. I love me some fruits. Yes, please give me some more. Then here is, we have a white box. And then there's a little speaker. How cool is that? You can hang it even like on a backpack or your purse or anywhere. You can hang it somewhere. Or if you're outside doing some yard work, just clip it on like the fence or something. You can use this probably anywhere. So that's really neat that they sent me that too. So thank you so much for that. And then there's another box in here. Oh, is this how they're going to come now? Like a set? Look at this. A magnetic closure. They're getting fancy with their packaging. Okay, so this is probably going to be like in the little setup at Bed Bath & Beyond. So where you can just like buy a starter kit already ready. So this one will come with the plastic, yes. This one will come with the plastic water bottle. And then there's 3 different flavors. This one has the fruit punch, the mixed berries, and the black cherry. And then you do have your little bottle. So I don't know yet. I'm going to go to Bed Bath & Beyond on the 1st so I can see what display is in my local Bed Bath & Beyond. So then I can see exactly what all they have. Like if they have the stainless steel, if they have the both sizes, if they have the different colored lids. I don't know. Or if they're just going to sell little kits like this. But I'm super, super excited to look and see what they have. And I'm so, so happy that they're in Bed Bath & Beyond. Again, congratulations to Cirkul. They're moving on up. That is so cool. But this box, so you can see, it's literally in a really nice box with, again, with that magnetic closure. And then it goes over the information on what's inside. The back has all the nutrition facts so you can see them. Nothing's hidden or anything like that. And then there's some little fruits around. And then, yeah. So that is really neat. You can even open it up. You can see what's all inside. I like this box. They got fancy. They got so fancy. But I mean, this little tiny thing right here seriously is going to make a huge difference for the switcher outers, the ones that like to switch their sips between whatever. So the little switcher outers, you're going to know exactly what is what when you pull them out with these new packaging. That is super, super neat. So you guys, that is what they had sent for me to show you. They wanted you guys to see the new packaging. Congratulations again. They're in Bed Bath & Beyond. So now, if you don't want to wait for it to be shipped to you, you can walk your little booty into Bed Bath & Beyond, check out their display, and you can pick out whatever you would like. And that's a good way to even start it. There's no shipping. There's nothing like that. You can just walk in there, choose one, try it out for yourself. Whenever you need refills, you can run to Bed Bath & Beyond. And yeah, that's super, super neat. I'm super excited. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to kind of show you the difference side by side from the set that they had sent to me versus the one that I had picked at my local store. My local store was already sold out of the bigger bottles by the time I got there. Shocker, I know. They are gonna sell quick. But once they're constantly stocked, then they'll be probably there regularly all the time. But this is the one that they had sent to me, and it's the bigger bottle with 3 different sips inside. The one that I got today is the smaller bottle, which I think is absolutely perfect for little ones because A, it's not stainless steel, it's plastic, so it's a lot lighter for them to drink, and it's a lot smaller. And here is 2 different sips that comes in this one, but these are a great way to try them out. But I also wanted to show you how you install it just in case you've never seen how this actually works, and this might be your first time actually going to try Cirkul. So I'm gonna open up one of the boxes that I purchased today. Now, one convenient thing that they do have at Bed Bath & Beyond is they have them in 2 packs. So there's actually 2 of them in here. This one that I just grabbed randomly is the grape. So let's get this one opened, and then I'll show you how you install it and how you use it. So this one, when you open it up, there's 2 sips right down in there. And yes, there's that handy dandy little label right there that says Go Sip and Grape. And so when you do this, you just add water. I always put bottled water inside of mine, and the stainless steel one I absolutely love because there's no condensation. It always stays dry. And if you put ice cubes in here, it stays even colder for a very, very long time. So I always grab my stainless steel all the time, but you just take whatever flavor you would like, drop it in the top part. Now this always stays on there. This is what you switch out and you throw away when it's done. But this top bottle you keep on there. You add the sip right to the middle. For filling and adding ice, it's easier just to open up this part. It gives you a bigger chamber to get to. But to switch the sip, you just do that. Now, here's the fun part. So right now, it's currently, I don't know if you can see, it's currently on an X. That means no flavor whatsoever. So let's just say you don't want any flavor, you want to just drink solely water, or like after I brush my teeth, I don't want a flavor because they don't mix well. So I turn it to X just to drink nice cold water. So X means nothing, and then you can change that dial from an X all the way to a number 9. That is going to be the intensity level of how much flavor is dispersed per sip. Me personally, I'm always good between a 2 and a 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put mine at a number 2. Now, there's this little handy dandy fin here. You just turn the little cap to face that way. So when you open it, you can just pop it right back and it holds it out of the way. So again, you just put your water, set it to whichever setting. If you start low and it's not enough for you, just turn it higher and higher until you figure out your own comfort intensity level. But this is just super, super convenient. I drink so much water. And again, this is with me every single day. One other thing though, I went to Bed Bath & Beyond's website just to see what they have available, because you can purchase them directly from there if you want to order them from there. If you have a coupon or something like that and you want to order them from there, they can ship them to you, not a problem. But I do see that they will be having these sets also in the stainless steel size as well. So it all just depends on what your local store has available at that time, but they will have the stainless steel in these awesome little sets as well. You can always check back your store or order them online or get them from Cirkul.com directly anytime you want. So thank you again so much for keeping me in the loop and letting me know what was going on so I can tell my viewers the good and new exciting news. And thank you again for sending me the new packaging, and I see you. I see what you've done there. This is just gorgeous. I love the packaging. I love the labels. I love the new boxes. That is just super, super neat. How did they keep this a secret for so long? That's what I want to know. So that is everything that I have to say. I will link them all down below. You can definitely go check them out. If you have not tried them, what's stopping you? Because this is the best way to drink water willingly, daily, and stay hydrated. It's better for your health, for your longevity, for all of that. So definitely go and check them out. And if you have and you've purchased them, comment down below so everybody else knows how wonderful they are, so they're not just hearing my opinion, they can hear yours too. So again, go ahead and comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world. I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.